Ilang araw na lang malapit na ang Pasko. Kaya, nakakabilib ang pagkanta ni Kuya ng Christmas in Our Heart by Jose Marie Chan na siguradong ikakagulat mo. Panoorin natin.
Every sable Sunday, seen a lantern in the street.
Wow.
I remember the child, I remember the listening.
Pwede ba ilayo mo sa akin to? Ayoko makita ito. Maita ulo.
Wherever I hear people giving, singing song, I believe on Christmas day o day nang with the glen with full boy for a bright tomorrow in the name of Jesus Christ. Lord.
Wow naman!